Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the condition of a particular skeletal bone on the Complete Anatomy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select the model and tap on the skeletal button down below. Then select the bone you are interested in and then slide to the right side of the screen in the middle and click on conditions. Here you can find a bunch of options here and videos, so tap on a relevant one you are interested in and you will be able to check out the video about this condition.
An avulsion fracture occurs when a bone fragment is torn.
You can turn on the subtitles by tapping on this button in the right side corner. You can turn on the play speed or set the play speed and the volume of the video too. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.